Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you the Frunk LED strip kit for the Tesla Model Y, and I have it here. I got it from TPARTS, and check out my channel. Look in the video description, you find all kinds of products from TPARTS that I have on my Model Y, and I like all of them. So this is the package. And you can see it's for the Model 3 and the Model Y, and there's a Frunk LED strip, light strip. So let's open this real quick here. I say real quick, and of course it does not go real quick. Yes, it does. Look at that. You can open it up like a candy bag here. And here we go. There's some instructions here. You have to push it in underneath that rubber strip, and you take the panel out, and then you have to connect it in the original connector. I mean, you unplug the original connector, plug this one in. Sounds really easy. I watched the video, it looked really easy in the video. So this is the LED strip here. Look, I like that little touch there. It says TPARTS on the Velcro. That's really cool. All right, let's just go get that installed. And I'm gonna tell you something that those guys from TPARTS did not tell you. Maybe they did. Oh, that's in Chinese. I don't speak Chinese, but anyways, I would say get one of these tools here. It's like a plastic tool to remove trim in cars, and you can also use it for furniture. I have that in all kinds of sizes. Smaller ones, thinner ones, and this one's a little bit bigger, but let's go see what I did, because I already tried to get that panel off. And here we go. Here's the Tesla. Should have parked it in the light. Here's my Frunk. I have a coat and a hoodie in it. And here, this is the little panel here. See, with the original Tesla light. And it's clipped in the top here with 1, 2, and 3 clips. So you just take this, pry it, and it pops right out. You can take this side, pry it, and it pops right out. I'd recommend to get one of these. If you use a screwdriver, you'll damage the plastic, and that is not good. Okay, now I gotta get this out, and then I'll hook it up, and we'll see if it works before we install it underneath here. Okay, so I'll put I'm not filming with the phone. I put the GoPro camera away. I am gonna unplug that, and then I'll be right back. One more thing, if you are older and are not making fun or don't see well, see, this is a little tab that you have to push in order to get this connector out. And what I use is this little screwdriver thingy here. You push that in the tap so it comes out, because otherwise you'll have a hard time getting that out, and you don't want to ruin this little connector here. Okay, now that one gets plugged into this one here, and I'm not sure I can do that one-handed. I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see what we can do here. I don't know if that was right. I'm not sure. Well, it's in now. It is not lit up. So give me just a second to check on this and see how it has to be hooked up. Maybe I did something wrong, and I think I did. Let's see this side here. No, that can't be it either. Okay, give me just a second, guys. I'll check on this, and I'll be right back. All right, figured it out. And the reason I'm showing you this, how it's not working, is not to show that I'm not competent to do it or anything. It's just to be honest and show the difficulties that can happen when you get this product and don't know how to install it. So this is a ground, and it's magnetic. Look, see, it's like a magnet. Now you have to put it right on here. See that little round circle there? Yeah, put it right on that circle there. And it sticks by itself because it's a magnet. And now we can hook this up here, these two connectors up together. It's a little bit of a fumbling job here, but it's not hard, it's easy. and when we hook those up, the light should come on. And of course it did not come on. Why? I don't know. It just came on a second ago. Maybe I have to unlock the car or something to get it going. And of course I don't have my phone with me. Let me go grab it. And so let's unlock the car and see if maybe that does the trick. That does not do the trick. Let me check. Oh, there we go. We have to activate the frunk again. Okay, look how bright that is. Oh my heck, that is bright. That thing's crazy. That thing is so bright. Unbelievable. Okay, let's put it in here so you can see better what I just told you. That's the magnet. Put it in there. See, when you move it a little bit, it turns off. That has to be on there. And then the connector goes right in here and it fits good. Tighten it up. And now this one here, see that? This one goes in the original button. And then when you pull that out, it turns off. This one was the original button. So I'm gonna have to do that with two hands. So I'm gonna put the camera maybe here, and then you can see what it looks like when we have that plugged in. Let's see, does that work? Let's see if that works. There. Okay, this one goes in here, and I don't like that flicker there, but it's part of it. Wrong way. So that's the right way. Okay, put that back on. And now we'll have to figure out how to get the LED strip on, because this here, let me get the camera back. This here looks out now. So I have to find out how to feed it so it goes around. I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. And here we are, look at that, doesn't that look good? Same coat and same hoodie still in there, and you remember how dark it was earlier? Look at that, you have the original button still lit up, and it still works to open the frunk if you're logged in there. And yeah, super easy installation. The only thing is you have to fumble it around under this rubber seal here. And the second thing that's a little tricky is, of course, you have a wire going up here, see? So this is not as flush as it was, but see, it's pretty flush on the sides. And I think it's fine, you know, it looks fine. And I think this really helps at night. When you go to your car at night or early in the morning, look at that, nice frunk. I mean, that's lit up, that looks good. That's how they should come from the factory, to be honest. When you close it, of course the light turns off just like the original tiny one there. So there you have it, guys. Another nice product from TPARTS. If you want this part here, you can order it over TPARTS website. I have a referral link in my description, and if you put in code HANGER, and I put that in the subtitles right now, then you get 10% off your purchase of this product, or of your entire purchase at TPARTS. So go look at their website and order you some accessories if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine. It's not for me, so it doesn't really matter to me, guys. And as always, thank you for watching, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps me to get comments. And yeah, we'll be back for more. So have a wonderful weekend and see you soon.